For additional patterns and tutorials, take a look at the book, Beginnings in Book Folding, available on Amazon. Happy folding! To read a book folding pattern, they're always read horizontally. So for example here, where it says page number, it might even mean step number. So once you found your centering point, step number 1, you're going to make a measurement right here at 5.7 and then at 7.3. Once you're done with that step, you're going to either check it off or take a piece of paper and lower it somehow to remember where you are. Then for the next one, as you can see in step 3, you're going to make a measurement at 4.7 and then 8.4. And you're going to keep reading horizontally as you continue your pattern. It's as easy as that. In this next example, you can see in step 1, you're going to make a measurement at 7.6 and then at 8.6. Please take a look at Beginnings in Book Folding on Amazon. It's a great way to start. Happy folding!